Hello children, how are you? I hope you are fine and well at your home. This is your Aarti teacher. Welcomes you all on e-learning class. Standard 4, subject social science, and our topic is the work we do. Dear children, we have learnt in this chapter no job is greater than the other. Dignity can be achieved only with hard work. Gandhiji praised dignity of labor in Sabarmati Ashram. The people living in the ashram were taught to clean the toilet and surrounding themselves. It means children, manual work is not inferior to mental work. Today we are going to solve some question answer and exercise of this chapter. How did Gandhiji inculcate dignity of labor in Sabarmati Ashram? Gandhiji used to do all types of work in his own, even cleaning the toilet. This way Gandhiji inculcated dignity of labor in Sabarmati Ashram. It means every work is respectable, dignified and important for the society. So Gandhiji gave example by doing his own work in ashram. You can see also ashram of Wardha, Sevagram ashram in Wardha. So children, manual work is as important as mental work. For example, if scientist, doctor, teacher, pilot is important for our society, then farmer, potter, labor, coolie, sweeper, etc. are also important for our society. Next question is complete the table by ticking right the correct option. Here is 4 column. First column is for job, second is training required, third is educational qualification required and fourth column is both. First is pot making. Pot making need training. Okay? Training required for job of pot making. Next is tailoring. For tailoring, training required. Okay? No educational qualification is important for job of tailor. Shoemaking, also training required. No any educational qualification is required. Okay? Next, repairing cycle. For this job, only training required. Educational required qualification is not important. Okay? Next is flying plane. Flying plane, it means job of pilot. Job of pilot, we need training as well as educational qualification. So we will tick on both. Okay? Column both. Okay, next, designing interiors. Designing interior is also very important and famous job nowadays. For designing interior, training required and also educational qualification is important. So the answer is option both. Okay. Next is embroidery. For embroidery, educational qualification is not important, only training required. So children, you have seen in our society so many jobs are based on training required and so many jobs are based on educational qualification. Okay. So children, note down this exercise on your notebook and we will meet in next class with new information. Bye. Have a nice day. But remember one thing, all job is important and respect all occupation. Thank you.